for Tamodi Hall, Isara, Remo, for the Community Development Symposium titled Isara Socioeconomic Development, organized by Yeye Foundation. We got keynote speakers who will be talking on inspiring all to community development, youth and agriculture, the limitations and leverages attached to it. We will give you a glimpse of what went down at the symposium. And don't you forget, self-help is the best help. I am Jeremiah. Stick around.
My name is Segun, Oluwafemi, Olusola. I'm from Isara, Remo. I live in London and have a sister that died some years back. She had an accident. Unfortunately, she lost her life. Before she lost her life, my sister has always been a very caring sister. She cares for the needy, for the poor, and she gives back to the community every birthday of hers. And that goes through my mind in the sense that why does she always do this? Why does she always give money to people? But when she lost her life, I realized that the only way for me to think about my sister or remember her is for me to follow in her footsteps, for me to continue to do what she does. And I realized that the only way for me to go about it is to set up a foundation. Yeye Foundation is an acronym for Tolu Lope Yetunde. That's the name of my sister, Tolu Lope Yetunde. So we named the foundation after her, Tolu Yeti. Tolu Yeti is a foundation that was created in 2018 in Isara, Remo. We believed we should give helping hand, as I said, to the less privileged. And we've been doing this for the past 2 years now, going to 3 years, in terms of helping students, to get into university, to help with their tuition fees, with their financial needs. And we extend into giving foodstuff to the old, to the underprivileged, and to the needy. So for the past 2 years running, we've been giving food outreach to the poor in terms of food bank. And lately, we realized that Isara as a town has always been in the dark. And we sat down together and decided that we should set up a solar light for the people in order for them to be able to see during the night time.
You remain head forever. You shall be head, never to be tail. In the name of Jesus. So shall it be in Jesus' name.
Honestly, I'm so happy today that I'm going to take a bottle of wine. Because this is a little note. Ever asked to go on one to immediately when you go to come to Chicago, to the London. For Isara is the biggest city, the largest city. They call us cities, but we are bigger than that. We have all the human resources. We have all the land resources to develop this place to become the capital of the country, not even the state. We have all the resources to develop. We have land for industrial development. For agri, so please inform everybody that Isara, please don't burn your Isara at all. We are very able, we are moving, we are humble, we are progressive. And when you talk about self-help, it's the best. And Isara has remained the bedrock of self-help. àbí ìsìnkọ́tà àgbọ̀dún bá ní tó bá wọ àwọn bàbá àjà yìí ní Olùtọ́lá bí those are the originator wọ́n fọ́ páàkì ní ọ̀nà Isara àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ it is self-help the best. So ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you. Let's relax and listen to the eminent speaker Isara produced for us today. Thank you so much.
And secondly, I also want everybody to know that my opinion on this paper is entirely personal, not that of Isara patriotic follow. I want to say that I got my inspiration for this paper from the self-help, best-help rates. Like my elder brother said, Prince Tiger Esoya, Agbojuba, self-help, best-help. In fact, when we were very young, we were jubilating all over the town with that. I also want to say this. The essence of my book is not to provoke religion, to provoke our thoughts. Our thoughts, with all of us that are present here and those that are absent, that will further read up the paper afterwards. I also want to say this. By the time I'm through with my paper, we realize that the champions for community development in Isara has been solely individuals, complemented by representatives in government. And that's why we are also championing that we should allow our best to represent us in government so that we can get our best. He has put in Isara. You can see it all around. His foundation there is down there for school children to promote charitable activities for indigenous students. You can see his hand. Also, in the hotel, when we were shouting, he told me that the objective of building the hotel was not for profit. He wanted people that come home that do not have home in Isara to stay, to have somewhere to come. And you can see in the power generation that is working on their Chapade. By the time it's done without power generation, Isara will be the work for electric generation for Remo. You can leave Shagam to Shagam from a very downwards. We'll be the center. We'll be the one feeding all those towns around us. And with that, anybody coming around to establish companies will not think twice because the moment the energy is resolved and the roads are good, the rest is for the entrepreneur to come in and do whatever they need to do.
At about 2 years plus working as assistant manager, animal health and nutrition, he was appointed the first operations manager of the organization at the time his then immediate boss went on sabbatical leave in 2016. By the benevolence of God and grace immeasurably, he led the farm to be arguably the largest individually owned farm, especially pigs in sub-Saharan Africa, with over 20,000 heads of pigs from about 4,000 plus, over 2,500 from about 18 heads, aside hundreds of sheep, goats, and rats, an average turnover of hundreds of millions. By 2019, he wanted to diversify his farming knowledge and know more about fish farming, production, as well as crop farm, especially greenhouse farm. Hence, he joined an uprising mat farm, who is already into crops and greenhouse, but wish to diversify into livestock. Hence,
Hi guys, we are right here at the Chieftancy and installation ceremony of Chief Segun and Chief Mrs. Bumi Olusola as the Gbolugboye and Yeye Gbolugboye of Isara Remo. In attendance, here we have the Alayeluwa Oba Babatunde Ajayi Torugbowa II, that is the Akarigo of Remo Kingdom, and also Alayeluwa Oba Dr. Albert Adebose Mayugbe, the Odemo of Isara. Yeah, it's all happening right here at the Afotamodi Hall, Isara Remo. And this whole event is being packaged and coordinated by the DDMC event. And as you all know, as usual, Remo TV taking you through the glitz and glamour of the whole event. Enjoy. Hello, sir. How you doing, sir?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Alhaji Taiwo Tawhid Bakari.
Okay, being a father right here in Isara Remo, what do you understand by the title Gbolugboye, sir?
Gbolugboye of Isara Kingdom. He is not the first.
Okay.
I think he's the second or third.
Okay, sir.
It's the title for those that develop the town, that is passionate about Isara development.
Oh, okay, sir. What can you say about Chief Segun and Chief Mrs. Bumi Olusola?
It's been very, very wonderful. Before I came for the paper I delivered yesterday, I really did not know him. I knew the elder brothers, which we brought up.
Okay, sir.
The dad is our big brother in the same compound.
Okay.
But the dad has been wonderful. So I wasn't surprised when I learned in 2018 what he started doing. I learned through Sahid Fidelity that has been coordinating for him. The philanthropic gesture he's been doing. He's been very, very wonderful. He's very passionate about the less privileged. He's very passionate about the old people. He's very passionate about indigenous students.
It's fine.
My name is Nirajai.
Okay, you know the Gbolugboye and Yeye Gbolugboye very well, I guess, sir?
I got to know them of recent because I was contacted to be one of the speakers at the symposium held yesterday. So, and prior to that, I used to know the dad, who used to be a member of the church, Methodist Church, Okioja Isara, and the good he's been doing in the church. So, associating with the son in this time is not out of place.
Yeah, definitely. I guess you know the title of what the Gbolugboye does in the community.
Yeah. Gbolugboye, it's a title that metamorphosed from Gbolugboye.
Okay.
From history, it's conferred on the first holder of the title, who happens to be the great-grandfather of the current Gbolugboye, who initiated a community development project in Isara solely by himself. Just he encouraged people to do a link bridge at this very common Odemo road now.
Okay.
Usually, as at that time, during the reign of the Odemo Akisonya, the major road was the road along this St. Peter's Anglican Church, through that cemetery side. But he has to initiate people to construct this link bridge that today is now the major road in Isara. So that is why the Odemos at that time gave the man the title. You know, someone given a title sitting in his house. The chieftaincy leave was said to be taken to him in his house. Okay. That is why the title Gbolugboye. So that was what metamorphosed now to Gbolugboye now.
I'm Prince Michael. I'm here to you about Isara.
Okay, sir. What are your wishes to the Gbolugboye and Yeye Gbolugboye for today's session?
All we need to do for him is to continue to pray for him for prosperity, business success, and whatever he lays his hands on will become gold. Because it's one of our pride in Isara that we're looking up to, that will take Isara to the highest height. And God will continue to bless him.
Amen. Yeah, thank you very much.
Chief Taiwo Bakari Kabo to Isara. And as well as I would like to acknowledge the presence of Reverend Gabriel Oluwafemi Olu Wabunmi. Right here is our father-in-law, Daddy Israel and Jackie. You are the welcome, sir. Daddy Israel and Jackie.
My name is Reverend Gabriel Oluwabunmi. I happen to be the spiritual father of the newly confirmed Gbolugboye of Isara Remo. I wish him the best of everything, the best of Jesus, the best in his health, his wealth, with the family, that after this chieftaincy title, more grace upon him. God will bless the work of our hand, of his hand, and his wife too.